I'm making some soup today. I'm going to be making bacon potato soup. And the other ingredients are going to be a carrot, corn, a red pepper, and onion. And then, of course, I got spices and everything else, guys. And I'm going to be cooking my soup in the 10-inch Dutch oven that you see right here. Before we get started now, I want to thank all of you guys for watching and joining into this video today. And today is Wednesday. It's a great day, the sun is shining, and life is good, and I'm going to be cooking the Willy Way. So guys, before we go any further, I want to open up a little gift. A gift, guys. Oh. And this was sent out by one of my subscribers, Sammy. Sammy, thank you very much. It's been a while, but we finally got the parcel. And let's open it. Let's open it up and see what we got. Maybe it will help me today. Who knows? I wonder. We're having soup today. What do I need today? Let's see. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open it up. All right. Let's open it up. Sammy. Oh my God. Thank you very much, Sammy. Thank you very much. These will come in handy, guys. Definitely. Thank you very much, Sammy. Now, for what we're cooking today... I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Look, we got bowls. Oh, we got bowls. We got bowls. They're beautiful, Sammy. Nice and shiny. They're going to go nice with my soup today. They're really fancy, too. And they're going to go good with the plates that you sent out to me, too. The same color plates. Beautiful. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls, guys. So I'm cooking that soup. So come on down if you can find me. We'll have some soup for today. All right. I gotta get cooking. Thank you, Sammy. It means a lot to me, you know. I got bowls. I got silver bowls. Let's heat up our coals. So I need to fry up our bacon first. So we'll have to light up the coals. I just want enough coals to fit in the bottom of the Dutch oven. I might as well do some vegetables. Get the vegetables done. Today I have a carrot. I might as well peel it, guys, and get it over with. All right. I'm just going to chop it up 1/2 inch thickness. Look at that, look. There. Good enough. All right. I know this is going to blow away. Okay, I'm not gonna peel these potatoes. I like them with the skins on. So we're just gonna cut them up 4 ways. Just like that, guys. There. There. Potatoes are done. Now, let's check my coals. All right. The coals are good enough. I forget I gotta be louder. And here comes the wind. Okay, let's chop up this bacon before we put it in to the Dutch oven. I want it to be nice and crispy for our potato bacon soup, I guess. Chop it down, guys. Okay, let's get that bacon on, guys. Look at that. Oh, what? Oh. I need my lid holder. All right, look. Okay, let's get that bacon on. Come on, don't fall now. There we go. Oh, the sizzle. We want this bacon nice and crispy for our soup. So while our bacon is frying away, guys, they're not quite ready. I want them nice and crispy. I'm gonna cut up the onion. And you know, there's no one around here today, so I'll have to cut them up myself. But don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. When I met up with Holly during the when she cooked up the fish and brews, she gave me Band-Aids. So guys, I hope I don't have to use them, but just in case, just in case. I'll use this knife. All right. So far, so good. Hey, let's cut these up. I just want them nice and thin. All right, that's good for me. Our bacon is almost crispy, guys. So I have my onions chopped up. Now I need to chop up my bell pepper, as I want to add it with the onions. There, that's all we do with the bell pepper. All right, I think our bacon is crispy enough. Crispy enough, guys. That's good. Right. So now I'm just going to remove that from the pot and add the onions and the bell pepper. Let's remove this bacon. We're going to leave the bacon fat in there. Well, I got to do it this way. I'll dump everything out there. I'll dump it. Now I'm going to put the bacon in here. Now we'll just waiting to pick it up. The wind is picking up, guys. So I'm just going to throw everything in there. And we're gonna cook that for 5 minutes. So while our onions and bell pepper is softening up, I'm gonna add some spices. Not too many spices today, but I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning, about a half a spoonful to a spoonful. That's it with the seasoning. Don't need much for soup. Okay, our onions and bell pepper, they're soft. So now all I'm gonna do, here comes the wind. I'm gonna add the potatoes and carrots. I'm gonna mix them around in the bacon fat. And cover it up and give it 5 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm gonna have to heat up some more coals. All right, I'm just gonna add some, we have some chicken broth here. So I'm just gonna add it to our pot. Just enough to cover all the vegetables. So I'm just gonna throw in a bay leaf. Add more flavor. 1 bay leaf should do. And let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna put some coals on top to help with the heat. Okay. Let's add the corn. It's been about 20 minutes now for the vegetables. So I'm just gonna add the corn to our soup. I love corn. Woohoo! I'm gonna drain the corn here. We got 1 can of corn. Oh. Let's add the bacon. Our crispy bacon. There. Guys, I have some half and half, 10% cream that I'm going to add to my soup. It won't thicken up, but it will add a little creamier texture to it. Now, if you want to thicken it up, you can use some cornstarch or some flour. But I'm just going to add this half and half. Just check it out. So I'm just going to pour it in nice and slow, stir it around. Just stir it around. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Voila! So finally, guys, our soup is done. I took it off the hot coals not so long ago for it to cool down a little. And now, let's have a look inside. It smells really good. Oh yeah! That looks awesome. So like I said, guys, you could add more ingredients to your soup. You could thicken it up if you want. You can add cornstarch. You can add flour and water. But I think mine's thick enough. So it's time for me to serve up a bowl. It smells so good. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh. Perfect. There you have it, guys. That's me soup. I gotta try it now. I know it's gonna be hot. Oh my! Oh my goodness! Mmm! This is really, really tasty. And I'm not kidding. Oh my goodness! Oh! That corn. It's the corn. I can taste the flavor of the corn and the bacon. Let's check this carrot. Oh, nice and tender, soft. A soft carrot. Let's try the potato. Well, I have to rate this a 10 out of 10. Well, I'm on my second bowl of soup, guys. It's a great soup to make. So I'm going to end my video here. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And I want to thank you all for them wonderful thumbs up in those comments. So guys, oh, Sammy, these bowls are big enough. They're big enough. Thank you once again for the bowl, Sammy. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Life is good, guys. Bye, everybody. Loves ya. Life is good, yeah. All right, bye, all.